Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to share with you, one that promises to revolutionize the way you clean your washing machine. If you've been struggling with stubborn residues, odors, or simply want to maintain the efficiency of your machine, then stay tuned because we are about to dive into the best deep clean washing machine cleaner on the market. Introducing the SHIMMERIX washing machine cleaner tablets. These eco-friendly tablets are specifically designed for top-load washing machines and are engineered to provide a powerful and thorough clean. With a pack containing 28 tablets, this product offers a year-long supply, ensuring your washing machine stays in tip-top shape without breaking the bank. So, what makes these tablets stand out? First and foremost, SHIMMERIX has developed a specialized formulation that is tailored exclusively for top-load washers. Unlike other products that attempt to be a one-size-fits-all solution, these tablets focus on maximizing efficiency and compatibility. You can use them in any high-efficiency or standard washer, making them suitable for all major brands, including GE, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, and more. The secret lies in their unique triple-layer eco-friendly cleaning power. Each tablet features 3 layers, meticulously designed to tackle different types of residues that accumulate over time. Whether it's limescale, detergent buildup, or other grime, these tablets work together to ensure a comprehensive clean. And the best part? They do all of this while being gentle on the planet. Now, let's talk about the user experience. One of the standout features of the SHIMMERIX tablets is their ease of use. There's no need for measuring or pouring. Simply drop one tablet directly into your washer drum and let the powerful formula do its work. This mess-free process means you can enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience, with just one tablet needed per cycle. Moreover, these tablets not only clean your machine but also extend its lifespan. By regularly using these tablets, you can protect your investment from the harmful effects of limescale and detergent buildup. It helps your machine run more efficiently, which ultimately saves you money in the long run. As we delve deeper into their cleaning capabilities, it's important to highlight that the SHIMMERIX tablets are effective at eliminating unpleasant odors. They not only clean but also deodorize your washing machine, leaving it fresh and hygienic for your next laundry load. Imagine saying goodbye to those musty smells that can linger in your machine, giving you a pleasant and clean environment for your laundry. Another fantastic aspect of these tablets is that they are septic safe. Many of us worry about the impact our cleaning products can have on our plumbing systems, but you can rest easy knowing that these tablets are designed with your septic system in mind. For those who prioritize ethical practices, you'll be glad to know that SHIMMERIX is committed to cruelty-free and vegan-friendly products. They do not test on animals, nor do their tablets contain any animal-derived ingredients. This makes them a responsible choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In summary, the SHIMMERIX washing machine cleaner tablets are an exceptional solution for anyone looking to keep their top-load washing machine clean, fresh, and efficient. With their specialized formulation, ease of use, and eco-friendly credentials, they truly stand out as the best deep clean washing machine cleaner on the market today. If you're tired of dealing with odors and buildup in your washing machine, these tablets are a must-try. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights. Happy cleaning!